Hi Keith, great to see you today for our 6 simple questions. Can you please start by introducing yourself and your company and tell us what you do, please?
Yeah, thanks, Simon. I'm Keith Iliffe, and I'm a partner with WPA Healthcare Practice PLC. WPA is a specialist private medical insurer. And what I do basically is help people buy medical insurance, particularly if they're self-employed, they're a company director, a business owner, franchisee, or are classed as a professional. I also specialise in advising companies with a minimum of 2 employees or more. I get involved at every stage of the process to ensure that the right cover is in place at the right price. Now, alongside private medical insurance, we offer cash plans to businesses, to companies. These are little plans that cover everyday medical expenses, such as paying for dentist visits, paying for glasses, contact lenses, physiotherapy, hospital stay, that type of thing. All of these schemes have access to a private GP, so you can get access to a consultant who will prescribe, he will consult, and he can refer you. And there's also access to Health and Wellbeing helpline. So they're good little plans, and they're very economic. They start at around £7 a month per employee. Just a little bit about WPA. It's a not-for-profit provident association established in 1901, very well respected in the medical profession. A recent survey showed that 66% of private consultants would highly commend WPA. So we have a really good reputation. So really, just to summarise, my name's Keith Iliffe. I'm a health insurance specialist with WPA Healthcare Practice PLC. Thank you.
Fantastic. That's really informative. So how can your fellow members of the business network help you and your business?
It's a good question. I deal with such a different range of companies, really, so it's very difficult to quantify a particular sector. But really, anyone that is looking to buy health insurance or needs advice on a health insurance policy, whether it's an individual or a company, would be a really good referral for me. Equally, if someone is currently insured and they want to review, then again, that would be a good referral for me. So yeah.
Excellent, fantastic. So as you know, networking is all about getting to know you as a person. So tell us what you enjoy doing in your spare time.
Okay, well, I'm a very keen supporter of Leicester City Football Club, and I'm looking forward to a European tour again next year. I'm writing a book, and I'm trying to cope with 11 grandchildren. So I'm kept pretty busy.
Wow, 11 grandchildren, that's amazing. Blimey, well, at least it's an entire football team, isn't it?
It's a football team. It's a football team.
Fantastic. So a couple of very quick fire questions. What's your favourite movie of all time?
Jerry Maguire.
And where's your perfect holiday destination if you could go anywhere in the world?
Well, we've got a little holiday home in Spain, and we've not been there for 10 months. So really, it's back to visit Moira, where our home is.
Wow, fantastic. That sounds nice. I bet you can't wait. And Spain have just opened the doors again, so hopefully you'll be able to get out there. And finally, what words of wisdom can you offer your fellow business network members?
I'm a firm believer that you should get up every day and focus on something positive, because if you do that, invariably it happens.
Yeah, really good advice. So keep positive. Yeah, and I think at this time, keeping positive is definitely something we all need to do. So that just leaves me to say thank you very much indeed, Keith, for answering our 6 simple questions today.
Thank you, Simon.